Kata ke o paspasi mai ko e Miss Heilala wafta fitu wafeta havalu. O filia kawa ka mai ka fine moi pa moi uraki tau olunga e fia finike hiva halavuna.
Fofua whaare hari e kau whewhine he pōni. Nau whenga koe ko hai tene hoko atu. Ai Miss Heilala wano tawalu tahiwa. Kamo kata ki o taltane mai Miss Ewa Moimoi taifote.
Koe teunga koe Island Creation e Miss Ewa Wafe Tahavalo, Miss Moimoi taifote. Kole ke uhupanga he whakatapu ko awhaki, kau lawe lawe atu ki he teunga Island Creation o e Miss Ewa Masani Wafe Tahavalo. Ko he teunga Island Creation a Miss Moimoi po o taifote ki he pōni, oku ngauhi akia ai wheta aki, aia na e whakapapa, pia opo e ene whangawhae i putu ewa, pia tui tui pia Mosani e kau whine ewa me funga whanua. Ko e konga ki mua hono kofu, o ku tui ai lafo pia moingi e sniu e funga whanua. Pia teu aki ai kawha pulu, vana pia fungani aki ai nge stofe, pia mei he paake wha whanua o e vai whanua e wā. O ku paaki poki ki ai pia moe whalaalu, aia na e bilo, pia ta o pia mei kolomaire, aia na e tā pia tānaki e ni mei he liku koia o e wā. Pia koe makehe angi koia i hok teunga, ko hoku pāalu aia ki o whatawhata, pia mohoku tua, he koe koloa pokia ho mau whanua, ai akau koia koe alu. Ke tā wani, pia kupenga o hange, koe whala o hina pia mosin lau. Ko hoku teunga na e ngao hia i he tau mua, ke u whakananiwi aki i he tau langa nā whanua, ke u whakamanimani whokmoia i he taimi ko tautali de leia i e kau wholau ewa pia moe takmamata, o lava ke u kuesia hok patongia leipua tari wholau ma ewa. Ko hono sei, o ngao hia pia mei he wheta aki, o whakalose pia moe talai whau o e funga whanua. Ko hono hau, o ngao hia pia mei he paini nge stofe, pia mei he whangatawe. Pia ko hono su, o teu akia ai wheta aki. Malo au pito ho eki moe kainga, paspasi imai e Miss Ewa, Miss Moimoi taifote. Ladies and gentlemen on stage at the moment, please once again put your hands together for Miss Tonga Masani 2018 Mo'ui Taifote. Ladies and gentlemen on stage, we have Miss Brilliant Star Naomi Fotofili. The island creation for Miss Brilliant Star 2018, Naomi Fotofili. I would like to acknowledge the presence of God in our midst, the guest of honor and its committee, the judges, to the gorgeous candidates, and to the ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all. As Miss Brilliant Star, I present to you my own work of art portraying my island creation. There are stories that tell tales of myths and legends, like mermaids and elegant creatures, so refined, so rare, and yet very mysterious, with a charm of a maiden so fair and kind that seems a beauty far-fetched and seen only as fiction. They are merely stories that tend to be fairy tales to the ordinary person. However, tonight these legends will be made a reality. Miss Brilliant Star, she shines brighter than ever before. She is dressed by Mother Nature herself, where land and sea intertwine to create what you witness before you.
From land, the fibers of the coconut tree, the kaka, coconut husk, the pulu, and the coconut shells. It is material so bountiful yet so essential to vividly portray the island we live in. Additionally, is the tapa, the fetaaki, the raw fundamental material, a cloth fabricated from nature, which best illustrates the precious history of culture that our people possess. From sea come the riches of the deep, with pearls so rare and so glamorous, they glisten under a moonlit night. The shells of a paua or tofe, irreplaceable treasures of the ocean, they too reflect the light and blind those who dare lay eyes upon them.
This convergence of land and sea traces the silhouette of a mermaid, fairy tales admired by the children. Mermaids are fair maidens with beauty, unparalleled in all the lands. Her powerful tail shifts the currents with scales that shimmer in the night, mesmerizing as she dives into the waters. Her hair is silk like that flowers with the waves. She is the tamer of the seas, like her Oceanians, the voyagers and navigators of the Pacific. In comparison, we too are the basis of myths and legends. Thus, here before you, do bear witness to how legends are made real. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Miss Brilliant Star Naomi Fotofili for Tonga Masani. Patulowa tuki e hawhanga, kai tuku ke hualela ai teunga o e miska waiha ano. Isa koe aho o e ware ia tama, pea mo e taktaha whakahaha hono nima mea a, pea mo e ene e whnanga pea mei wharehanga. Ko hono teunga na e ngaohia pea mei he ngatu, e koe mo ui anga ia hoku ka inga pea mei he hoi one one. Ko hono pulupulu, ko e amusi ia pea mei he api ko horewa. Pea whakamaklai akau ake se e tahine ko Heilala fisi iniu. Pea ne omi ke ua au ngai he wike Heilala ai Tonga. Ko hokureta na e ukufia pea mei he whanga ko mau. Pea hake o lanu i he vai ko kanakana. Ngingila pea mo whetapaki he koe maanga ia a perehuni.
Kono tofe, Ne ukufia me mui ponoa o homa tetuka. Le hakaranu, I whanga I si, mua whanga parikparo. Ko hoko pure taha koe ngatu uri. Ko ea Moimoi e ku whanga koimi mo he tau. Pe toku whawhautunga mai, e ku whanga tamai, he ko hona utare ni tia, se uke. Ko hono lolopa, ko e tori ia, he ku whanga whae tangata, pe ame o tata o me tauranga whare mei, o toki whaka ala ala I he piki ko ia, pe vela, he ko hoku unga anga ia, isa. Ai fuka hoe ua, e kai ngalo, e koe ngāwe e ko whangatau ke te, ko hono bilohi mo teu teu ki e rei taha.
O iau, ko toki laukau he hawhanga, he koe ahonia. Te au hawhau ofa ki e mātanga, koe ngāwe ia e whangawhae pia mei he maka ko where unga. Kai pehe ki o ngahi eiki māma pia mei he vai ko kanakana pia moe hauma te te wha. Koe kapa ko te unga, koe whapolau mai eni pia mei he tawake o wailahi me whanga kui I mua. Seuke, ho kahoa, koe tuia e kui, pia mei he kolo kakala, pia o mai keu ete aki I he aho kātoanga. Ka taki paspasi I mai Miss Ha'ano Manu Ma'ake.
Tonga Masani.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, put your hands together for Miss Manu Ma'ake representing Miss Ha'ano.
Ko Miss Whangailupe, Tonga, Australia, ko Luciane Akawola.
Ladies and gentlemen, on stage this evening, we have Miss Whangailupe, Tonga, Australia, Luciane Akawola. Tulo, please allow me to tell you about my island creation. My island creation is based on our coat of arms, Pesila o Tonga. Tonga was united under King Siausitupo I, who then orchestrated the formation of the first formal government as well as the coat of arms. The crown symbolizes the ruling monarchy, the King of Tonga. The three swords represent the three dynasties of the kings of Tonga, namely the Tui Tonga, the Tui Hatakalaua, and the current Tui Kanokpolu.
Malo pito ko neti bea ko kore peke hufanga te venga whakata posa noa whaki kai whahoko atu ai whamatala hanga tonu me he hol whamarato kun Salote I he whiawhini I hoko atu ko ia porokalama mo whiau hi ko ia o wike Heilala Tonga Masani I he whiawhini ko e whiawhini ko e porokalama ko e whiawhini a ia ko e whamau ia he fo I konga e tolu ai ko konga uruaki ko e nau island creation be ko e nau ngahi teu ni mamea a aki e ngahi koloa whakanatula pe me he ngahi otomotu ko e konga hano wā ko nau teunga matatahi ia ko konga rewa hano tolu ko nau whiauhi tare niti ia. E ko ngahi polokalama ia o ku whamau I he pōni e tolu. I he fia fini pe. Ako ni ko si lere I matangi e tau polokalama tau tolu ko tau kamata tau tolu ia he kau fini mui. Ai ko taimini ko e mise ni ko e fini mui en hono ni mai. Ai ko fika ni mai ni ko miss whangai lupe Tonga Australia. Ko ia ni ko hoko ko taimini o luseane a kau ola. Ai te unga whawhawha o bito o whariari. Hange pe ko ia te uhanga tuku ki he ongo MC o e fia fini. Ko Salote sisfa. Rea mo George Lavaka. Ko naua tena whai koe whamatala. Fika ni mai.
Ho eki pia moi kainga ka taki o paspasi I mai Miss Whangai Lupe Tonga Australia Luseane a kau ola.
Ai koe tāna kia tupe koe ke te unga koe hange ha manpuna. Ai koe fwoi manpuna. Ono kapakau ko mawhao he taimini hongongonongo kapakau ki tawhaaki. Ngauhi kotoa aki pe ai whetaaki. Hu kapakau
Ladies and
fwoi
gentlemen,
manpuna.
another big hand. Miss Whangai Lupe, Tonga, Australia, Luciane Akawola. Mopas Pasimai, Havelu Rugby, Tensia VSC Boy.
Ko e te unga Island Creation o e Miss Havelu Rugby, Miss Tensia Mantala Aho Whawese po oi. Tulou, whatuloa tu pia whatapu pia moi whawhi whalanglang e polklama. Kai ata mua pia moi whinimotu ani ke whai hatala hono kake I. Ko au Tensia Mantala Aho Whawese po oi, ko hoku kake I, ko e lou akau ko e si. Io koe si o koe ni ai whanau akapulu bulldog o e paini tu ua. Koe si vao, si tongotongo, si kula, si pinki, si bareti. Koe si e ngā pia mo ngahi si kotoa. Nai ko si eni o fi, pia lanu maia pia meihe vai ko poko ua, pia meihe matawhanga o e pāke ko lata I le wā. Kataki paspasi I mai e Miss Havelu Rugby, Miss Tensia Mantala Aho Whawese po oi. Contestant number 6 for this evening, ladies and gentlemen, representing Miss Havelu Rugby, Miss Tensia Whawese po oi, with her Island Creation.
Koe kofu whoku ngā hea ke ngahi si ka ku tui beo hange ha kofu be.
Once again for
Kofu oloa.
Whamalo atu tatanere be motolu mo mea mai koia I he ngalo be. Live stream ko e Tonga Broadcasting I he Facebooka, I he YouTube. Pe mo Paula Moimoi Latu I he Facebooka. Pe ke walfitu poini ni mai whema kai o maare te o Tonga I he ngalo ea. Tatanere ke motolu.
When we are born into this world, we are pure. We have yet to find a home in the world. Our identity is unknown. This purity and innocence is represented by the outer cape of Miss SNS USA Store's Island Creation. Ailini Vakalahi invites you all to journey with her tonight as she finds her place in the world as a strong, beautiful Whewhine Tonga. Her first portion of the Island Creation is regal, elegant, and made entirely of Fetaaki and Ngatu. Ailini's initial look celebrates the Tongan monarchy, the only surviving monarch in the South Pacific. The first look symbolizes Ailini's respect for her beloved country, Tonga. She removes the cape to reveal her second look of this intricate creation. Ailini would like to dedicate this part of her island creation to her very own Kakai Tonga. This look is made up of kie, paongo, kafa, and nge'esiniu. All of these treasured materials represent each and every one of us here tonight. We all serve many different roles in our communities. However, it is most beautiful when we are working together. The diamond-shaped gear have been embellished with pieces of nge'esiniu. These scattered pieces represent the many islands that make up our kingdom. They have been sewn together to symbolize the unity of our islands. Ailini continues her journey of this look by removing the upper portion of this creation. Before you is a beautiful ball gown. This look is dedicated to all her fellow sisters vying for this year's Heilala title. She reminds her sisters that we are all beautiful princesses and to never let competition change the love that we have for one another as lovely Tongan women. We must empower one another and not tear each other down. Finally, Ailini reveals to you all her final look by removing the bottom portion of the ball gown. A fitted dress made of over 1,500 mother-of-pearl shells. This was hand-sewn to fit the curvatures of her body. Time and pressure are both required for pearls to form. Ailini believes that with time and pressure, she will continue to be molded into the virtuous pearl that God has called her to be. This inner garment symbolizes her past victories, failures, and experiences. She does not allow them to control her future. However, she wears them as armor to show humility, transparency, and resiliency. The white shells down the center of her dress serve as a reminder to keep her priorities in order and centered. God, family, country, and her love for music and ministry. Ailini's headdress is a crown made up of mother-of-pearl shells, tu'aniu and pueki, to celebrate the past, present, and future leaders of our island kingdom. Koe otua mo Tonga, ko hoku tofia. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining Ailini in her journey tonight. Please put your hands together for contestant number 7, Miss SNS USA Store in her island creation.
Whakawhawha pito ngahi teunga. Alu koe ni o to'o pe ngahi kongko ngahi teunga. Auli whape ke fo i teunga whakao si pe. Hange ha te mamata koe ki ha uno haika. Whakawhawha mo ngingila. O e teu e ki koe ngahi nge esi tofe. Ai kofu whakawhawha ko ni whatawanga pe mo mamata mai. ko e Tonga Broadcasting live stream mia pe foki pa gulele hanga tonu ia he TV Tonga o ku toe tokola hange ai fia finia toe tokola hange fia fini fonu au hange pe ko fotu tu ko wai penga te pile ko ki moa ki ka sponsor pe ko vai wanga mari ko holo ki mui ko ngai sea ka ko si mao po pe faki ke holisi ka toa ai no fo wa mai ne ki matafaki au mai ko matafaki pe ko toe takai mo tu aia toe matolu mai pe mo tu ai ngai matapa hange ko hana wasiasi ai ka mama tau na toe tu pe mi to ne ko momoko ka una ke lava mai pe ke kau fataha tau ki tu he ke o MC na ki famatala ya to na tolo e teunga i he fefini ko e Lady ko Miss Lady Tonga Maria Australia mele loto mo ua tukia
i sene Australia aia ko e keine fa kai pe foki ki ngahi lanu ko ia ngawe aki ko lanu ke he e fa ko uli siliva hinehina kai pe foki ki he lanu koko i hono kofu aia ko e fa fofonga ia ki ke puke ko ia e fine muini e fa i ka vei koula aia ko e frapa apa ko e mamahi i mea loto to pe mo tauhi va pe kanoni ak fokieni ai nofo lelei he ko Tonga Masani mo oni ia i ho eke mo kai nga paspasi i mai Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia mele loto mo ua se taita tukia Ladies and gentlemen, on stage at this very moment, once again, a round of applause for Miss Lady Maria Tonga Australia, Mele Loto Mua Se Taita Tukia.
Ke ho ko te tau whea hui ko ia he Island Creation mo tol ko ia mea mai me api mo dok whanau mai le dio baga mata mai he live stream whea hui ni he taimi ni Island Creation
Mr. Proxus, New Zealand, Liliete Marqueta Fisi Hoy's Island Creation outfit for this evening. I proudly walk amongst you all in my Island Creation design, which is of a handmade woven cocktail gown. This is to signify Tonga Masani Sani Mo Ma'a Ma'alahi. My gown is a two-piece outfit which is made from the local kie Tonga, in which was specially woven kakoi for tonight's special occasion, ke Masani pe a Tonga.
The gown also comes with a floral touch of black and white roses from the local Fetaaki tablecloth, which are tied to a kie woven belt to symbolize a kafa of Ofafonua, Mateaki, Mamaheki Fonua, and above all, Whakapapa ai Tonga. The first piece is a gown where I specifically chose the pure and white color of the Kia Tonga to show my support and wish for a clean, green and pure Tonga. for a Tonga that's clean with crystal love and care. The gown is woven kakoi to show a style pattern that signifies lines of beauty, warmth, and love for Tonga.
The second piece is the headpiece. This encourages us all to stand in unity as oneness and as the only kingdom in the Pacific. It is also made from a touch of kie tonga that is woven and designed to complement the beauty of the kako gown. The headpiece symbolizes a Tonga Masani that is reflected how we think, how we speak, we act, and how we love our dear country. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Aproxis New Zealand, Lilieta Imakweta Fisihoi.
Oia koe hoko beia o e kau whine mui tai mini o e ngahi kenga koia o e teu koe kofu. Koe kofu pe ka ku toki teu e ki pe ngahi nau koe na ku whamatala me he MC he whiawhini ka bau pena e iai mohaki I konga whakatonga hono whamatala I kouhi ke mou mui lelei mai pe ki ai kau whawhawha au pito. No teu ake wheta aki, alo whi, pea ngauhi o hoko koe teu ki hono ulu, pe whoki hono konga loto, pea mohono fo I kofu. Ai ko ngahi kofu e whiawhi, ngahi evening gown be, ka oku teu aki pe ngahi koloa, ngahi nau, whakanatula, I he Pasifiki. Whawhawha pito, ai ngahi teu ngā.
Introducing contestant number 10, Miss Pose Fashion, Luana Susana Fifita. Whawhongai mai koia ai Miss Pose Fashion, ko Luana Susana Fifita ka take o paspasi I mai.
Ka moe a whia e o toa e tau loto ngā, whatapu ki he puniwalu o loto tatau. Pea ki hou eiki mo haa whatapua, pea ki he matanga, kai atamoa ke ulawelawe atu, ke kake I teunga Island Creation o Luana Fifita, Miss Bow Fashion, wana o tāwalu. Kono kake I o ngauhia me ngahi lou akau whetaaki, nge eswingota mo e pulu iniu o kumau he lausi. Kono lelu ulu, ko e pulu iniu, netoria o haha, pea ta'o he apigo hiku whanonga, lano he whangai apigo veritoa, whanga ko whangalua, e apigo manawhalawa, tāwalualu no, ne whai ai hono iloa. Kono laloni kake I, ko e tutu ne whata ake ne whanga koe me he apigo whunga huna hinawe. Pe toki tui whungani ki ai e kawapulu, ne whihe kainga oi hala mohuanga. Pea kako whaalose, mo tāwani o hange ha kaupe au, e ne whawhae me he whautaupe. Koe konga ki lalo hoku kake I, koe lou a kau ia koe kie, mo e whawha me he ololo o whanga ko maseata I e whala koata. Koe kawehinga kātongani, ko Tonga Masani. Peka hoka ke I ne omi e whakauhinga lea ai whinamotuani, koe tonga whi o whani. O luaki koe lo se pulu, hoku ka ke I, o kune tala e taha, o no whakainga. Ua, koe ka whatui, whakawau, beau be, e kune tala ia ai ngahi tulu tae o se ni be taha. Tolu koe nge estaha. O kune tala e lelei mo e whakawha ofa ho tau ngahi whaikeke he, kau tau taha be he uhinga o tau urunga ngā whatonga. Koe wha, loa kau ki e bea mo e whawha, O kone tala mahu inga o e ātakai ki wholau ewe wā. O kuhoko koe moui anga ki e kakai Tonga. Tonga Masani, Tonga Feofo Fani. Moutaltari mai Miss Luana Susana Fifita. Miss Bosch Fashion.
Koe teu whapitohanga pe koe ko whamatalai, koe ngahi lo akau whetaaki. O ku whai aki ai teu kofu evening gown pe, koe kofu e whiawhi. O ku toka erewa pulu o whakafuata poto hanga whakatoti aki ai kofu mo nima. E konga e taha. Ka koe ta whake taha ku ki i ai pe ka whao laine pe. Whapito pe toki tui rewa i he vaiua koe ia e Tonga ta whako ni e ngahi fo i matala i tofe. Hawhawhau bito. Alu ki he konga ki lalo koe no kofu te whakaloloa ki mui a ki pe ngahi loa kau ko si whakaweawe pe.
Wheau hi ko ia ai Island Creation ki e Miss Heilala wano tawalu tahiwa. Hoko mai he pika tataha Miss Mila Isadora Mele Lupe Vete.
Contestant number 11 for this evening, ladies and gentlemen, representing Miss Mila Isadora, we have Mele Lupe Vete. Whatapu ki e whoka o ke viringia, ka pe ki e whawhe whalanglangi o kmea, ka whamau ko miti pia moe Tonga kotoa. Tukpe mua ke ukau i he pue, ke lava hoto whatongia ki e hau o e otu wherenite. Ko hoku ka ke i, ko e pulu whakakuini, ka ko e whakataipeni ki a kuin Salote tupo utolu, pea mai kuini whehuhu o e otonga, aia ko unga whonua. Na e oko ia he eku whangakui, pea mei he ongo haangana, pea motonga leleka haapai, o aikona ki he vai ko kanakana, o whafolau mai eni ki he siare haiwala, me iai ki he lauto kaiano, o nau me e tuu aki, ki he kolo tau ko hure, pea whani fo mai e punga whonua, o nau whate fua o whalute katoa, o nau tuulai i e sia ko veiongo kolomotua, o fatu fua muaki hoku teunga, he ka e maa i moa uri ia ai ongo kuini kua unga whonua, pea koe whekao mahu inga ia a hoku teunga ki a koe moa upe whine Tonga, ke tanga wei hota whonua, pea moeta koloa, ke oua na ata nofo masiva, pea moria hota tau whatunga motua. Ko hoku pulu na e tu ia pea hai, pea whakamau ki ai e ta koloa whawhonua, ai kalasi kehe ngā tū pea mohono kupesi, ko e ngahi lau akau, ai au whatu aki koia e tau whariki, ko ipu kawa pea mo ngahi koloa o e kau nima mea a nau koia ki e ngahi lolo, pea mo e tau kahoa kakala, ko si e kuku ia, ma ki tau a whewhine Tonga, ki ta whaau ngai ai Tonga Masani i hota whonuani. Ko hoku kahoa, ko e ngahi foi matai tofe pe pearls ai ana e ukufi ia, e whawha e tangata pea mei he tuariku o e foi one, ke fungani aki hok fofonga, he haha molofia e ne taka, ke ewa aki pea mohoku o whaanga. Pea koe mu aki hok ulu, koe tofe, pea ko hoku kofu na e tui pe ia ki hok manako, pea toki tui whawae aki e ni e lo akau, mo e paongo, koe kie, na e haka pea tata o he whangawhae, koe lo akau eiki, aia koe fua whatongia ki haa mohe ofo, ke talai hok Tonga pea mohoku whakaufu ofa. Koe toenga hok kofu, o ku whanau aki e tai amoni mo e siwerio o seni, ke u whamanmani aki i e wike katoanga, pea hiku aki hatua niu mo kie ke mahino hok whaunga. Leveleva e malanga kau tatau atu mes vila Isadora mele lupe vete.
Oi no fogo atu.
O tatau mai, Miss Tonga Tourism. Ane ofa pulu.
Fatulau atu pea moi hawhanga, fatulau atu ki e mātanga, kaya tā ke whahoko atu ai lave hok teunga Island Creation, ka koe Miss Ministry of Tourism, Miss Takmamata Masani o Whapolu. Fatulau atu moha anima mea a o whawhine o wharehanga, kai pēe ke ka uku o ngā tai mohonotala, hoku teunga, koe louhi apo aia nai whakairi pea mei he punga ulu tolu, o whatete ke hala maono, pea haha o whafolau ke funga pou e wha, ke whai me aisi ono tala. Pena tawaki o whale kesien he whangawae pea mei he api ko funga mapu o vaea. Koe whaingo hok teunga, koe kawha pulu. Koe niu ne torie ni mei he api ko ahau, o utaki ke matawhanga o paluki, ke whai me ai hono tatao. Wisa, koe tatau anga o e maka ko loupua, pea vilohi e whangakui pea mei he tua kolo o velata, kena wheluteni pea moe hina e kiaki o e whetaaki, koe naunau tu whanua eni o sio tau unga anga ko Tonga. Koe matai koloa o hoku kainga, koe matai tofe o ala. Na e ukofi eni pea mei he moana loloto e ofa, pea une tuu i mua, ko e fofonga o hok teunga, kene whaha i e masani pea moe ngingila e whine tonga. Wisa na ngali kua whie mata mua e te whaunga whaipatongia, ka koe papata pe kana ilalanga. Io ko kofu koe whamolmaluia o hok tupuanga, koe nima o e whaapa he koe nofo a ka inga. Pea koe fungani i hok tua, o ta ingo ai pea e ka whapulu i he whetaaki, koe wike oua na akuta foki pe teu si tua mei hoku tukwhaholo, ka ne pipiki pe i hok tua, koe whamanatu hoka kai ngā ue mate aki. Ko hoku tekteki, koe matala i e whanua, koe whailonga o e mama pea moe ako. Paspasi mai e Miss Tonga Tourism ane o Whapolu. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Contestant number 13, Miss Langakali Vaikopona, Primrose Malekamu.
This is her story. She is Hina Sioata, the legendary queen of the deep blue ocean of the Pacific waters and the seashores of the Friendly Island Kingdom of Tonga. She is known for her dignity, her identity, her values, and her true beauty of a young virgin Tongan woman. She's standing proud today, covered first with lace gown of kietahina, decorated with crystal seashells of elilitahi and tofe, to symbolize purity, pride, ethics, and integrity of a humble and scared Whewhine Tonga. Just like the untouched, healthy natural ecological habitat of hahohomo fish out in the underwater reefs, to ensure species are safe, secured, and protected from the vulnerable seas of the Pacific. Then comes the one special wedding day. She's groomed to befit the outside world. Now she walks along this aisle in an oceanic wedding gown with honor and pride to face the reality of life. She's covered again with a handmade gown of scales scraped from the hohomo fish species. The scales were scraped, collected from the catch, prepared by families and friends who joined the Free Western Church Conference at Tonga Masani, and it is designed to a red colored handmade local fetaaki tapa material. Scales or unoika are known for the key role to provide armor plating to protect the fish from predators, from enemies, and from disasters of the marine waters. So she's wearing this scale gown to support the need for awareness of climate change in Tonga. We are vulnerable to the impact of climate changes, and she's heartened the need that we should learn to recycle, reuse, recreate, and refinish from available resources, from nature, and from waste. This fish scale oceanic wedding gown comes in 3 pieces. First, an off-shoulder fish scale dress with a lower tail fin flares, symbolizing the legendary queen, Hina Sioata, swimming in the warm waters of the South Pacific. The lower tail fin flares are also layered with scaled blooming flowers of the blue ocean. It is my wish and dream that the marine environment are protected, preserved, and saved, not only for Tonga today, but for Tonga in the future. Second, the wedding bridal bouquet, also known as bouquet, again, made from fish scales. The bouquet is my ultimate accessory that signifies the natural beauty of the marine ocean and a touch of romance to my wedding day. It tells my past, present, and future. It signifies a new beginning, fidelity, and hope of fertility. This brings hope for sustainable marine environment in Tonga. Third, scaled headpiece. I stand tall with my crown and say, Otua Motonga, Kohoku Tofia. God and Tonga are my inheritance. I am Tongan and will always be proud to be a Tongan. Tua Ofatu. Miss Langakario Vaikopuna, Primrose Malakapu.
Up next on the stage, we have Mr. Proxus, Tonga, New Zealand, Kalo Lokotui Fungani Tau. Mr. Proxus, Tonga, New Zealand, Kalo Lokotui Fungani Tau. I walk proudly amongst you all, covered first gown, made in natural red and green leaves from the sea plants. The touch of natural leaves signify true life and true warmth, the mawhana that covers the true identity of a Tongan.
Me ko hoko mai ko ni ku ga hi te unga ku me na ngau e ke he te ka ko e fotunga ko pulu whakatu, pulu whakakuini. Ka ku ngau he ke penga hi nau ko ia whanatu la pea ku to orewa ngai pulu ko ia te ai mo foi kofu ia o ku toi fa me loto.
All My Ireland Creation fashion design, which is a ball gown made from hana seeds and again from the very own hana plants. Hana seeds symbolize the natural seeds of love that is combined to form pearls and jewels of the Tongan women. The seeds are designed onto a black fetaaki, which signify royalty and loyalty for king and country. The hana seeds are designed and woven together to reflect a ball gown of a Tongan heritage, Moinofo akai ngā. That the line of kings are connected on the upper part of the gown, the nobles on the waist, and the people and commoners on the lower level. The pearls are connected from a simple design to a more complexity way of displaying to show that we Tongans are connected to one another one way or the other. And that no matter where we are in this world, we are connected as one warm-blooded humankind, a Tongan. The ball gown comes together with its headpiece to show that we are the only monarch in the Pacific. It was and it will be in future. I encourage you all, let's stand together as one family. As united we stand, divided we fall. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Proxys, Tonga, New Zealand, Kalo Lokotui Funganitao. Ke mokata ke o paspasi mai Miss Well watching Sia Ilompeau Tuipulotu. Contestant number 15, Miss Well watching Sia Ilompeau Tuipulotu.
Tulo wado mo hoeki, kau lave atu. Kia te unga mis mamata tofua. Kono te unga mi hono ulu. Na ngā hia whataipe ki fotunga o e hiku o e tofua. He koe ni e konga o ku mahu inga ki ha feitu ube o ku huuki ai ene whanonga. Ko hoku kofu. Na ngauha ki a e whetaaki. Na e whakatau me maketa la mahu. Pea fuhi aki a one na e ukufi mei whakaota o Havelu Park. Kono atai ni to he mā koe tofo ai tō mata o mō mamata kai kāinga. Ko hono no o. Na kusi kaka peo tori mo e fo niu koe ni. Me fo niu e matata hi whakaota. Pea haha whakapipiki ke whetaki. Nā ku toi whenga tu ke loloto o se ni whangautai pe. O ukuwhi me hei enges whingota lanu ke kehe. O whakaaonga ia. Ki hoku no o. Ke whakamahino ai. O kulata peki o se ni. Pea kua whatai pe ia. O e kaponga o e tofua. Miss Mata Tofua. Mau paspasi mai Sia Ilompeau Tuipulotu.
Whamaloa te pe foki ki he Miss Whale watching sia I lompe au tui pulotu. Whapofa au pito hono
I
te
homo
unga.
su to fa.
Ko e te unga foki e whine mui ko e nisi au se ange ko ia kono whakamatala. Ko ia peia na e kaka he whuniu o tori hifo. Ai ngai konga hono teu. Toko kehea.
Mari e o ki whakareari makehe ai misi mamata tō fua ai e whiawhini tautou kapatā pe kaponga ko ia e tō fua a.
Ka taki pe Miss Whale watching o Tongatapu ai heka koe tō fua ai tai mini. Pea mono tau tai e tō fua a. Koe ai koa ke tau fua mātua ato kotoa ka koha e maua e maari e. Mālo pito Miss Whale watching sia I lompe au tui pulotu.
Fu. Boto vas pasi mai fu to fua ke to hansu. Koe hambe ke taran whanonga mai me Atlantiki takai ha ke iong niwa. Fo mai mama u fo mai hapai be mo ewa. Koe ni kua mai ke whare whakamanat kun Salote bon.
Last contestant for this evening's island creation from Miss Tui Tui Fashion, represented by Cecilia Viliamo. Whatuloa tu ki he hou eiki, pia pe foki mohamata pure, kaya tāmoa kia te au ke whamatalo atu ki he island creation e Miss Tui Tui Fashion. Ko eni a hok wala ko ia ki he katoa ngalahi, ke whari ari a hok te unga. Ko hok sino I wala ko kie tonga ia teu I aki ai ngatu uri, ai anai ngauhia he whangawhae pia mei he vai ko puna. Ko hoku su na ngauhia pia mo teu I pia mei he otu kinekina pia mo esi ko maafu. Ko hoku helu na ngauhia pia mei apia Samoa mei he kai ngā ekta mai. Ko e wala ko ia honoua. Ko e kake ieni ki haku ewa ke tala hoktonga ki apia Samoa, na ngauhia he kupanga toko wapea mei he hala mangao no. Ko e designer ko ia ki hoku kake I, ko e sponsor Tui Tui Fashion. Ka taki o paspasi I mai ai Miss Tui Tui Fashion, Cecilia Viliamo. Ladies and gentlemen, rounding up our first judging event for this evening and the island creation, another round of applause for Miss Tui Tui Fashion, Cecilia Viliamo.
Ko e whaosiena o e takai urua ki ena o tau wakai ke taipini. Mea whokeni ai whakawhalanglang o whiawhini ko e tangata I kare pia. Sa pue la kirispo hiwa, pe whoki ki he o minista e kabineti. O nau heni. Ai minista mo ui, mo e ngai business e pureanga, saya piukala. Pe whoki ki he minista meitek. Po asitei. Pea mo e ina tolu ai kau whakawhe kunau I heni he whiawhini. Kai pepe whoki ki he iktokon pare mia a koe minista whokia o e potunga o koe ni e takmamata. Se bisika ko ia nau I heni pe whiawhini ki he polokalama o whakahoko. Takai ura ki ena, toi ai takai e ua. Ngai pe koe ana e whakako atu koe kau whareari koe Tonga Masani o iai pepe mo Miss Heilala lolo Tonga. Ophelia kitiriti kawa. Nau tolo nunau I he Stacy e taimini. Konga ki mua koe e Stacy. Koe teunga e kau whine mui nau teunga loa kau pe kai teunga puretaha ai whine mui Miss Heilala. Ai pe mo kei tui pe foki a hono kalauni. Koe nunau toko wha, e ko foi toko wha ni. Nau taulunga toko wha. Kau tangata e toko ono me he grupu pe Tonga Masani nau ngahi whakahapai nau tui pe funga ni aki he ngatu pe mo nau te unga kau nau hangau ki toho I ai mako ki vave ange mo whauta tu pe koe whaiva mako koe whaiva vave pe ia I he neanga mahe ni kau tau toi ki hiki e nau tolo toi ki vave ange pe whake pe ha te sio ko hapute ha moa e me turi ko ha
Opas pasi mai Tonga Masani. Mo te mai ke mate matonga. Na kwau mai ni ba na loto lerei ke tohi e Tonga Masani e na ufrani agabulu. Koeni. Ko kamata ni ki programa makehe ko ia poni. Mate matonga mo paspasi mai. Mali boys. Kanohanga o ato. Ay mate matonga.
Kau talavo ko ni o kunau falani hina tohi pe ai Tonga Masani. Unau ta e sipitau. Ai mate matonga na ufo poto tulu kilalo ka asi hake to taha ki olunga. O whakau pe to taha ko ia ko Jason tau malolo pe ia. Nau falani hina tupenu uri pe lokeha kai fungani ake sisi. Pe te nau whaiwa i pe ai foi hiwa ko ni mate matonga. Hange be na whaiva ko e mate matonga wai mo ngo whae ia e tawhaki na te unga whalani mate matonga mo na ua. Tako e whātātā ko ni me alu pe whainga haka ko e mako. Kau nau toi ki i pāpase ki foi pulu nau ki tautui loto. Kunga Stacy. Mari mate matonga. Kei hoko tu pe kau whaiva ko ne mate matonga ko e Mari boys. Kei hoko atu pe kau mate matonga ia. E kau whaiva ko ni ko kau whaiva ko ni mate matonga ko kau pou be me he havelu bulldogs be. Nau hifo tai pe he tawhaki whaka hifo ko ia Stacy. Whai mo nau puri he wawe taha.
Ko e kaulang tua ko ia e whiawhini, ko e kalapu te matai ni pia meilo mai viti. Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage this evening, we'd like to welcome on stage, and please give a hand to the band Demata from Lomaiviti. They will be singing for the performance of Miss Nuku'alofa 2017-2018, Miss Lilipeti Mano. Please put your hands together with a round of applause.
Dai fini ko te pe ke tau lunga e fia fini klap te mata me lo mai viti ko lang tu ai
Mr. Olonga, wafta fitu, wafta valuka, taketo e paspasi mai, mes lilipeti manu. Kai umafo ke ne kaulang tua ko ia I e fiafini, ko e kauhiva ko ia te matape a mei lo mai viti.
Lava ni pea liu mai lewa ai sivi ko ia ki hona o ngahi te unga matatai. Hai ko na whamatala ne nai, ko ngahi tupenu, ngahi tupenu whalanu lanu. Ai ko nau ko fui mita tolu uangi ki he toko taha ko ni, ke misi bia mo ne toko taha teu teu, ke nau hanga vilohi fui ki e konga tupenu mita tolu ko ia, ke hoko ko fui te unga matatai.
Ko lang hako tonga. Mo pas pasi mai. Mako fao sieni mate matonga.
Foi kau tangata I be toko ono, nau tai kofu be kai manafau, nau takitaha e ngota whaaki ko ia Stacio, toko tolu me I hake, toko tolu me hifo, e unau haka be mo manga mai ki loto. I e whahinga haka pe ko ia mako be. Kia toki ki teu teu ia ki beia, ai ngahi fungani haka be.
Tofu boys from Latu Moimoi. Matematonga from Moimoi. Hoko to the Wolfgramm da meni ke konga noa. Hono sivi igoia o ka fine ki Miss Heilala wano da malta hiva.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Miss Tonga Masani Heilala. Kataki o paspasi mai ko Moimoi Taifote ko Miss Tonga Masani wafet tahavalu pe amhono Sarong swimwear.
Ko te ua Sarong o Miss Moimoi o Taifote. Ta ua tolu mai futu e ua. Unuaki no o iono konga lotongo ke whakamahino e ku puke puke ai anga whafonua moi whakapapa. Ko no o hono wa, ko no o ihe tua, ke whakamahino ai ngahi poupou moe ako naki na e ohi hake aki kita. Pe ko no o hono tolu o ku ihe uma. Ko no whakawha uta haia o e ku tuitala ke ngai ako naki whakautua. Pe aku te wake matatahi o funga whanua. Ke whakamahino e popo watu ke tauhia ewa ke tolonga ene whakawha whakanatula. Pe ko ha'i o tāwani. Ke whakawha o whiunga ke ne ewa aki e matatahi o whangatawe, matatahi uwhirei, matatahi tuwhai, matatahi lokupo, pe abehe ke matatahi talako ia funga whanua, ai matatahi haluma. Malo mo e tua o whātu ke tō rāko toa. Miss Ewa. Miss Moimoi o Taifote.
Kataki o paspasi mai ai Miss Brilliant Star Naomi Fotofili. Second contestant for the Sarong wear this evening, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Brilliant Star 2018, Naomi Fotofili. To the guest of honor, judges, my fellow contestants, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Naomi Fotofili and I'm representing Miss Brilliant Star 2018. Tonight I present to you my sarong. There's certain attire for every occasion, and for tonight we elaborate on the fineries we choose for the seaside. The beaches, what we wear to stroll along the sandy coastline. She took it upon herself the value and the relevance of the vibrant colors she wears tonight. First is the bright and warm color of yellow, just like the sun, a star in the center of our solar system, a source of light, and like so, she too is a brilliant as the star, bright and pure, a symbol of purification. Her headpiece, otherwise known as her sei, is the color of a lively green and symbolizes of life and good health. As plants sprout into the light of the day, the leaves unveil a hidden energy which brings to life. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you Miss Brilliant Star Naomi Fotofili for Tonga Masani.
Tau hoko atu, ke wheau hi hono tolu, Miss Tui Fashion, Cecilia Williamu. Whatulo watu mo e whakalangangi, e woki ke kau whamau, pe ki sola mavulangi o tau lono ku e malumalu e whaneni, kai tupe mua ke ula veatu, ki ono kakei matatahi. Kono kakei matatahi, ko o mai ai ai lano hinhina me lan pinki ke whakamahino aho ku masani. No o ke foi, no o ke e nima. Ko e uhi ke malumalu ai whiwhini tonga, pe ke whatai pe ke Tonga Masani seuke. He koe masani o ku tonga, a e ku ilo aho ku tupuanga. Ko kakei matatahi, ke ulau kau aki, ki a ku ewa ki matatahi. Tua whātu, Miss Tui Fashion, wanoa tāwalu, Cecilia Cristina Williamu.
Tau hoko te whiawhini, ka take o paspasi mai e mesa ano manu maake. Koe teunga Sarong we koia o e mesa ano, koko teunga o whakatai peia ki e lanu e umata. Koe lanu plu, koe lanu ia e moana. O kune whakatai pe mai koe ofa koe o seni o kuloloto, pe au fie ma o ke moana, pe a mohange koe langi e ofa, ke ni ihi ke he. Iyo he koe whekau, o komaia i he wholofola. Koe lanu mata, koe lanu ia o e mo ui, pe a moe fie fia. Iyo ne ngauhie ni e whongafonua ke lanu mata hono ngai akau, koe whamahino koe ma ui ui o fie ma o e mo ui. Koe lanu e ngenga, koe lanu ia o yanga vai vai, moe loto ma ulalo, o fie ma o ke umau ai kawei koula e wha e tonga, pe a mounga aki hono loto kai talai hoto tuk whaholo. Koe lanu maaleti, koe lanu ia o loi mata, pe o fie ma o ke ukau ngā mamahi moia o tangi, pe a piki uma o vahe vahe he koe tonga o si pe kai whemori mori. Koe lanu pinki ko lanu ia. Ke whamahino, koe ofe whinia o e tamai he vani. Ko hok teunga na e teu teu. Pea mo ensinia ie ni he whangawha e. Aia o tangata pea mo whewhine, pea ko laukau aki i he aho katoa ngā. Kata ki paspasi mai misha ano manu maake.
Molo tonga mea mai ki e wheau i koia ai miselala wano ta malu tahi wa o atuanga tonu mei he whare whamanatu kun Salote mei loto Nuku'alofa. Moutaltari mai ai wheau hi whikani ma Miss Whangai Lupe Tonga Australia Luceane Akauola. Turou kai whakahau te unga matatahi. Ko hok sei koe Bird of Paradise. Pea moe Athurium me he ngoe matawhare ko ia e kutangata eki mei kanokpolu. O tu fio aki a nge spaua koe koloa whanua o Aotearoa koe whanua ne whanau ia kita. Ko hoka hoa koe si ne fi whakahawai ia ko hoku kahoa kia au katoa ngā hange koe poni. Ne toki paki tuu behe kau whewhine o la paha pak mo doi ane heng hengi. Ko Sarong o whatatau ia ki ngahi matawhanga e ku whanga kui. Mei nukureka, lere mei ai ki he waheloto ki kawai, loto kai ano, pea tātuku ki e whunga lausi. Ko hoku no o, koe ku whiri ke whetak nima, au no aho, monopoli. Miss Whangai Lupe Tonga Australia Luceane Akauola.
Hokobai, koe contestant. Coming up on stage this moment, please put your hands together. Miss Havelu Rugby, Tensia Fawese Po'oi. Paspasi mai, Miss Havelu Rugby, Tensia Fawese Po'oi. Koe teunga matatahi koe e Miss Havelu Rugby. Tuku ke uhawat mua he, ngahi tala ko muaki. Ko au Miss Tensia mantala aho Fawese Po'oi. O kutua ai sinoni ki e feitu uni. Kei tupe mua ke talangofua he kohok talai ke talangofua pe mo fai fatongia. Ko si oku kake I ki he matatahi, o ko teunga aki pe ai lanu o e moana. Pe afungani aki ni matala o e kau angelo o palataisi. Iyo ne fotu tu mo fo pe design e fina tua lo kolo pe ko eiko au kava ai teunga koe ni. Miss Havelu Rugby, Miss Densia Mantala Aho Fawese Po'oi, Pea Mei Falaleu, Ha'ano, Longolongo, Paini Tu'ua Havelu Loto.
Miss SNS USA Store, Ailini Wakalahi.
Tonga Masani, our beautiful Tonga, Miss SNS USA Store has selected the vibrant color blue for her sarong swimwear. Her beautiful blue sarong has been gracefully tied in a manner that appropriately displays her lovely petite silhouette. Blue is not only symbolic of the vast ocean, but it also represents stability, loyalty, wisdom, and truth. These are all qualities that Miss Ailini values and practices daily through her life at home, at work, and at church. With the wind at her back and the Pacific Ocean waters rushing through her feet, Ailini takes you on the adventure to explore one of Tonga's most precious treasures, the toatahi, or black coral. The valuable treasure is an oceanic jewel that is exclusively found here in the coral reefs of Tonga. Being born and raised right here in the beautiful Paintu'ua, she celebrates her people who skillfully dive, collect, and sell toatahi locally and abroad. Ailini would like to send her heartfelt appreciation to her people for carrying on such a valuable Tongan tradition. Miss SNS USA Store would like to encourage our people that we must take the initiative towards the preservation of our Tonga Masani, our beautiful island home. We must not waste or wait for someone to set the example. Instead, let's work together in keeping our coral reefs and our waters free of litter and pollution. We can do this if we work together in love, unity, and peace. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for contestant number 7, Miss SNS USA Store, Ailini Charity Wakalahi, in her sarong swimwear.
Ho ho watu, Whikamalu, Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia, Mele Lotomu a Setaita Tukia. Whakatulong mai hawhangani, mga hiha ko be whatapoa kai atamoa a whanga ke whahato e teunga matata hei be Sarong o Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia. O kune whiria lan pulu moana, koe lan nuia o seni, kono ngahi mohu o kumasani pe tuki moa. Ko ngahi whetuu o e langi, ene hulungia ai o seni, o kuhangere vaia ko hataya moni i he kumoui. Kono ngahi huero, o ku whetapaki pe a ulongi ngila, o kauka ewe ewa i a pōmalu. Pea ki matatahi ko e teo ngaini o wau kau aki. Miss Lady Maria, Tonga, Australia, Mele Lotomoa Setaita Tukia.
Our next contestant this evening, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Miss Aproxas, New Zealand, Lilieta Imakweta Fisihoi. My sarong wear for tonight symbolizes the concept of renewal. The chosen color green depicts growth, harmony, freshness, and new life. As we walk the beaches of Tonga, we as citizens are required to keep our ocean clean. As we keep our ocean clean and fresh, we cultivate a sanitary environment for new life. The turtle is a new life as shown on my sarong, and the creatures in the ocean all play a role in our environment. They contribute to keeping Tonga Masani, and as people we ultimately hold this decision. The seashells on my wrist and my ankles beautify the ocean, and as we sustain the ocean, these shells will live, grow, and beautify our land. Our beach is our biggest tourist attraction and needs to remain beautiful to nurture growth in Tonga. The Paula shells in my hairpiece radiates light in various types of hues. It is one of the most sought shells in the world due to its vibrant colors. A woman is precious and unique like the Paula, representing my worth and my value. The Thai had created a one piece to highlight her body, the length, and the skin tone, where together it enlightens the picture of my sarong wear tonight. Like the Kingdom of Tonga, the only standing monarch in the Pacific, highlighting its highlights, our strength and resilience, proclaiming, God and Tonga are my inheritance. Tuafa to contestant number 9, Lilieta Imakweta Fisihoi.
Tau hoko atu ki whiau hi whika hongo fulu. Miss Bose Fashion, Luana Susana Fifita. Tulong mo mea ho eki be mo hawhanga. Kai tō mua ke whakari ari haku teunga kau tahini. Kok teunga ulan mata. Tupenu Sarong, be mo tata. Masulo niu o kulan mata. Koe lanu mata, koe lanu ia mo'ui. Whafo'ou, toi tu'u, atakai, whakailonga o ku tupu-tupulaki hamea. Whatatau ke ngai savea mo e whekumi, koe lanu mata, koe lanu ia o ku whakanonga taha ki e mamata tau fofonga. Pea tatau tau peia mo ngai mea, pea mo moto haku sponsor Bose Fashion, quality with elegance. Koe ngahi design, oku whaka-ofa-ofa mo whafo'ou, pea whakalata ki e te wakai. Kok tata mo e kato, na ilalanga ia me he niu tupu he funga ana mahanga. Kok sulo niu. Ko suru whakaholo ia me kau whiwhine whangota he funga afua. Kok matsio ata. Ne omia me loto lontoni. Koe mea ofa ki e Bose Fashion. He ne kau whakataha koe ke Fashion Exchange I loto Buckingham Palace. Pe koe hai hoku teunga. Oku whakamanatu mai ai maho inga ai wha I ka veikola. Whakapa-apa. Whiweto kai aki, loto tō moi ofa. Ke apasia e te whakafotonga I e whaitu kotoa be, pe au na ngalo, a kila I oriwe lan mata. Ne whoki mai koe mai who I lupe ki he a ake, koe whakailonga o e merino pe mo e mo'ui. Tu a whātu, Luana Fifita, Miss Bose Fashion, Ua noa tāwalu.
Ladies and gentlemen, testing. Ladies and gentlemen, testing, testing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcoming on the stage contestant number 11 for this evening, representing Miss Vila Isadora Mele Lupevete. Katake o paspasi mai e finamuyo ne fafungai ko e Miss Vila Isadora Mele Lupevete pe amohono Sarong wea.
Mo paspasi mai Mele Lupevete, Miss Vila Isadora.
Contestant number 12 for this evening, ladies and gentlemen, representing Miss Tonga Tourism, put your hands together, Ane Ofa Polo. Paspasi mai Ane Ofa Polo o kune fafongai ko e Miss Tonga Tourism.
Tulo mo sea gumea. Peke matanga. Kaulawea tu ke o te unga matatahi. Ko au wane ofa pulu. O ko fafongai pot ngau e tak mamata. O ko whiri e lano e moana. He koe mau anga mo uia a hato tupuanga. Ko o seni hoto latanga. Pea ku whari ari heni e ngai mea mo ui o ngātai. Ai a kune whakamanat mau beka kita a hoto whaunga. Nai tā, pea mari, kotoa ngai kupesi me ngātai me he whanga esi. Pea moi wafu ko tau whaahau. Pea nai whaafolau mai ia i he tongi aki me i hapai Masani. Ke whare are atu, ai te unga matatahi, o go opai. Tua whātu, ane ofa pulu, Miss Tourism Tonga. Moto paspasi mai, Miss Tonga Tourism, ane ofa pulu.
Inviting on to the stage this evening, Miss Langakali e Vaikopuna Primrose Malekamu. With honor, I am grateful for the opportunity to wear a one-piece green and white sarong that signifies the natural environment of the friendly island, the Kingdom of Tonga. The sarong design is painted with banana leaves to signify a fruitful day on our very own natural coastal beaches of Tonga. The one-piece sarong has 3 knots fashion style. It starts from an off-shoulder tie that is connected to a second tie below the arm and meets up to a third tie around the beautiful waist of a Tongan woman. These 3 knots signify the 3 pillars of how a Tongan is raised. Ke kaukaua ai Tonga I mo'ui lo tolu. Koe sino, atamai, kai amo amoange ai whalau marie. The beautiful swimming sarong comes with a say to signify a soul that is with beauty and purity. Tahine tu'o ai hao sei, aha e he ai sei o whawhine. Lau kai ai pe mua kai turi waha whanua, aha e he ai sei o whawhine. Lau kau ai pe mua kau turi waha whanua. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Miss Langakali Vaiko Puna, Primrose Malekamu.
Toi bea to oua. Ta hoko atre whika tawha. Miss Abrux's Tonga, New Zealand, Kalo Lokotui Fungantao.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on stage Miss Abrux's Tonga, New Zealand, Kalo Lokotui Funganitao.
The Sarong swimwear. Miss Carlo and Talei Luis Lokotui Fungantao. My Sarong swimwear for tonight represents intellect, warmth, hope, and joy of a Tongan woman while enjoying a relaxing walk and swim in the tip of the Pacific Ocean. The bright yellow color reminds me to be optimistic despite the negative. Like the sun that continues to shine, it nourishes and provides strength for a variety of flowers surviving on the coastline of Tonga's shores. As shown on my sarong, there are diverse flowers that beautify the earth, resembling the diversity and empowerment to stand apart and proud from the rest of the world. The gardenias wrapped around my arms and my legs embody my culture, shielding my morals as a young woman. Like a gardenia and many other flowers, producing a fragrant scent of pure bliss, indicating accomplishment and joy. White represents true innocence and purity. As a young Tongan woman, my standards allow me to remain firm and strong, as purity is my utmost goal. My sarong is tied to create a 2-piece to declare modesty and respect. Modesty and respect entails a true description of a Tongan woman and our forefathers' teachings. My sarong embodies my identity. The pearls on my hand are one of the most prized possessions, detailing the finest and most elite there is. Like a hand-picked flower of the garden, I am worn with pride, love, and joy to one day become an empowering woman for our people of today. Representing Miss Abraxas Tonga, New Zealand 2018, Carlo and Talei Luis Lokotui Pungantao.
Pea koe tātuku koe ki he teunga Sarong swimwear koe ki he whiawhini. Ke mō kātaki o paspasi mai ai Miss Well Watching. Si ai lomi pea o tui pulotu. Ma loile le ho eki mo i kainga. O kou whiawhia lai au pito ke uwhahaha hok teunga matatahi. O ku iai hono whata, pea koe whanga tofua a tangata pe. O ku moimoi ke tofua a whewhine. He koe anga ia a hono natula. Ko o seni kono moana ia, pea o tala he lanpulu ko ia, hono lata anga, he ko hono api ia. Te usani hoku api ke masani, he ko o seni masani. Te utaria haahi, pea mo manatu i e to oa holoto, o ngalo i ho manatu ke toi foki. Kataki o paspasi i mai ai whanga tofua a, pea mo Miss Well Watching, si ai loto mua tipulotu. Ladies and gentlemen, the last contestant for the Sarong wear this evening, Miss Well Watching, si ai lompeau tipulotu. Whatonga iang koki ho eki pa mo kau mamata ulotonga pai e whakarelei ke lao ko ia mamata tofua a. Pea koe lava mai ko ia asia he whiawhini kono promote ko ia industry e mamata tofua a. Paspasi mai koe Miss Well Watching ia i he whiawhini sia i lompeau tui pulotu. Siasi ku taimi tonu foke hu koe Miss Well Watching o ku ngā lolotonga koe season foke eni o Well Watching season. O kamata ia me heni o ka topa. Ko ia ko taki mai pehe Miss Well Watching ai whanga tofua a. Ko ia koe season en o ka lolotonga in season he taimini.
Kai ke he. Ko e tofua anu ka ue to he no au lagi haa koe he taimini ki he ni. Whamalo atu. Miss Well Watching.
Life is just too bright for Miss Well Watching siasi. Ke mau ke tui hono matio ata.
Mana tui mo tolu mo whima ke whakalere mo kautaha mata tofua. Ko tofua ko naku osle sita e bot ngā tak mamata. Toi pas pasima Miss Well Watching. Sia I lompe atu pulotu. Ko tai meni he to fok mai to fa e hake ai beia o pekia I uta. Kau sai be ko na go ha o ta hiki hu mai.
Koe hiwa tau o lunga, kui wa ia tuene klapu fo anga me Nuku'alofa, pea kohono kahoa. Koe lofa ata ieni, pea mei homare e ia, mo e tau ta ieni e siwa aloa e tui hapai, aia kuo whatolonga aki e maasi ma ko ia kao motofua. Ke mou kātake o paspasi mai e Miss Hapai Masani wāwhetaha walu I Voni mea fo o I Queensland tohi, pea mei lofanga, tonga leleka, mo niu toua, pangai poki.
Tuanila. No.
Lawe ia te kahoa koea o e kauhiwa langi tua, ko I ka masi mai na e lawa mai pa mei hapai.
O te whamatau? Ka! Ala ke kahoa! Yay!
Kata kata kau screw dia tau mai ke masima. Mo pas pasi mai misa abai masani. Wano ta valu imoni me fo wi kunslan tohi. Pamalo atu hani ki Tonga Masani. Mo dapat pasti mai Tonga Masani.